3, 2, 1. Cats, beware. And dogs and no cats. I'm a doggy. Okay, so we are ready. This is the victim, and this is our cannon. First, we're going to put some alcohol there. Okay, let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we are going to put the lid there. And remember, we need to shake it so we have vapors. We are looking for vapors of alcohol. Okay, very good, very good. Everything there. And let's cross our fingers. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, good. Okay, everybody, for this experiment you will need a box of these things. Okay, it's a little warmer, just like 11 or 12 pesos, so we'll need with these ones. Okay, an empty bottle of vitamin C, the one that actually effervescent, like this one. Tight. Lid. Good. You also will need a syringe, 5 millimeters. Good. And igniter. This kind of stuff is inside this kitchen igniters. Okay, so you need to take it apart, and just we need this only part. Okay, and this is out of the main components, so we are going to start working. First, we are going to make a hole here, okay? So actually, it can stand this cylinder, okay? So I recommend you that you make the hole either way. It can be like this, yeah, or it can be the other way there, the way. So either way, it will work, okay? So let's do it. And also you are going to make 2 little holes here so the cables can go through, and also we are going to cut the syringe so it gets as high as the box. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut it right here, almost right here, over there. See it? Almost there. So I can insert it. Okay, so that's going to be the line for me for cutting this thing. And by the way, you will not need this little plastic. Okay, get rid of this plastic. We are not going to use it. Okay, so let me make all the preparations and show you the holes and everything. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Bye bye. Okay, as I already finished, I make 2 little holes there in this pipe. There you can see them, little 2 holes there. That is for getting these terminals. I'm going to put it inside there, like this. Okay, like this, and I'm going to glue it. I'm going to use hot glue there, so they can be there without moving. Okay, as also I already finished the holes there. See the 2 holes. In this hole, as you already guess, it's going to be, I'm going to put the pipe there. That's it. And in the other hole, as you can guess, is also the syringe. Okay, I already cut the part that I don't need. Okay, I cut it. Okay, and this one goes here. Okay, like this. Okay, that's going to be our trigger, and inside here we are going to put the igniter. Okay, the igniter goes there. So almost everything is in place, And let me give it the last few touches here, and that's it. Okay. Very good. So, as the Terminator said, I'll be back. Okay, so I finished. I put everything in place. As you can see, I also put the hot glue there. Also, I put the igniter inside the wrench. And one more thing, you see the cables there? You need to be sure that there's a little gap between them. Okay, don't let them touch themselves. Okay, so maybe you can use a long screwdriver, so actually you can make a little gap between there, so the sparks can actually travel. Okay, the sparks can go through there. Very good. So, and only put everything in place. It. There's the gap, is going to be there. And one more thing, well, you need to use alcohol. Okay, just plain regular alcohol. You are going to use just a little bit here, like 1 millimeter. Okay, if you happen to have this kind of sprays, no, that's better. Okay, so you just spray it there, right, just a few millimeters. You put the cap there. Good. And you shake it. Okay, so it has vapor there, and then you're ready to use the cannon. That's it. Okay, very good. And remember, always use you need parent supervision. You need your mom and dad to help you do this project. Okay, please, parent supervision isn't most, and let them be the first one to test your cannon, and then you can have fun shooting at everything. Okay, very good. Excellent. That's it. Thank you so much. I'm Robert, your host, aka Dr. Bye. Bye bye. Parent supervision. Don't forget, you need mom and dad to help you. Huh? Please. Don't want accidents. Be safe.